Hello, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. Today, we have a fun and easy story for you. It is called Paul's Family Trip to the Beach. Get comfortable, listen carefully, and let's learn English together. Let's start the story.
This is Paul. Paul is a young boy. He is 8 years old. Paul has a happy family. He lives with his mother and father. He has a little sister, too. His sister's name is Emma. Emma is 5 years old. She has short blonde hair. Today is Sunday. It is a very hot day. The sun is big and bright. Paul's family is going to the beach. Paul is very excited. He loves the blue sea. First, they pack their big bags. Mother packs red and blue towels. She packs strong sun cream, too. Father packs a big green umbrella. He packs a yellow plastic bucket. He packs a small shovel for Emma. Paul puts his swimsuit in his bag. His swimsuit is blue and white. He brings his favorite water toys. Mother makes food for the family. She makes tasty ham sandwiches. She cuts cold red apples. Father puts the food in a cool box. He puts cold water in the box. He carries the heavy box to the car. The family gets into the white car. Father drives the car safely. Mother plays happy music on the radio.
Paul and Emma sit in the back. They sing songs together. They look out the car window. They see tall green trees. They see cows in a big field. The cows are black and white. The drive takes 1 long hour. Finally, Paul sees the blue water. "Look, the beach," he says happily. Father parks the white car. They take their bags out. They walk on the warm yellow sand. There are many people at the beach. Some people are swimming in the water. Some people are reading thick books. Father finds a good place. It is near the water. He opens the big green umbrella. Mother puts the towels on the sand. Paul takes off his t-shirt. He runs to the cold water. "Wait for me, Paul," says Emma. She runs after her big brother. The water touches their small feet. The water is very cold, but it feels very good. The sun is very hot on their heads. Paul jumps over small waves. Emma splashes water with her hands. They laugh and play for a long time. After swimming, they go back to the umbrella. Mother dries them with the big towels. She puts sun cream on their faces. Now it is time to play in the sand. Paul takes the yellow bucket. Emma takes the small shovel. They build a big sand castle. Paul makes tall towers. Emma makes a wall around the castle. Father helps them build the castle. He finds small white shells. He puts the shells on the towers. The sand castle looks very beautiful. Paul is very proud of it. Emma claps her hands happily. Suddenly, Emma sees a small animal. It is walking slowly on the sand. It is a little red crab. The crab has funny small legs. It walks sideways near the water. Emma watches the crab carefully. "Do not touch it, Emma," says Father. "It can pinch your fingers." Emma nods and just looks. The crab walks into the blue water. It swims away quickly. Emma waves goodbye to the little crab. It is 1 o'clock now. The family is very hungry. They sit under the big green umbrella.
Mother opens the cool box. She gives everyone a tasty sandwich. She gives them cold water to drink. The sandwiches are very good. Paul eats his sandwich very fast. He is very hungry after swimming. Next, they eat the sweet red apples. The apples are cold and fresh. They are perfect for a hot day. After lunch, Paul wants to rest. He lies on his blue towel. He closes his eyes and listens. He hears the loud sea waves. He hears the birds in the sky. The birds are white seagulls. Paul sleeps for 30 minutes. When he wakes up, he feels good. The sun is still high and warm. Mother reads a book quietly. Father is sleeping next to her. Emma is playing with her yellow bucket. Paul walks along the beach alone. He looks for pretty stones. He finds a smooth black stone. He puts the stone in his pocket. He wants to take it home. It will be a nice memory. Paul sees a big white dog. The dog is running on the beach. It is chasing a red ball. A young man throws the ball. The dog runs very fast. The dog is very happy. Paul watches the dog play. He likes dogs very much. He smiles at the young man. Then Paul sees a big boat. The boat is far away in the sea. It has white sails. The boat moves very slowly. Paul imagines sailing on the boat. He wants to be a sailor one day. Later, Father wakes up. He stretches his long arms. "Who wants ice cream?" he asks loudly. Paul and Emma jump up quickly. "I do, I do," they say together. They love cold ice cream. Father walks to a small wooden shop. The shop is near the beach. It sells many sweet things. He buys 4 big ice creams. Paul gets a chocolate ice cream. Emma gets a pink strawberry one. Mother and Father get vanilla ice cream. They eat the ice cream slowly. It is very cold and sweet. The ice cream melts fast in the sun. Emma gets pink drops on her chin. Mother cleans Emma's face with a tissue. The afternoon passes very quickly. The sun starts to go down. The sky turns orange and pink. It is getting a little cold now. The beach is very quiet. Many people are going home. "It is time to go," says Mother. They pack their bags again. They fold the wet towels. Father closes the big green umbrella. Paul picks up the empty cool box. They walk back to the white car. Paul looks back at the beach. He says goodbye to the sea. He had a very good day. They get into the warm car. Father drives the car carefully. The road is very dark now. Emma is very tired. She closes her eyes and sleeps. She holds her small shovel. Paul is tired too. He leans his head on the window. He thinks about the big sandcastle. They arrive home at 8 o'clock. The house is dark and quiet. Mother turns on the warm lights. Paul and Emma take a warm shower. They wash the yellow sand off. They put on clean, soft pajamas. Mother gives them a glass of milk. They drink the warm milk slowly. They are ready for bed. Paul gets into his comfortable bed. His father reads him a short story. The story is about a brave dog. "Good night, Paul," says his father. "Good night, Dad," says Paul happily. He closes his tired eyes. He dreams about the blue sea. He dreams about the little red crab. It was a perfect Sunday. And that is the end of our story. Did you like Paul's trip to the beach? What is your favorite thing to do at the beach? Tell us in the comments below. If you liked this video, please press the like button and subscribe to Easy Story Studio for more easy stories. See you next time. Goodbye.